Hi folks, it's Kristen with the Half Hill Auction Group. I'm here with Big Jim and Little Jim, and we're at 4519 Shakertown Road here in Danville. Right now we're sitting on about 106 acres, plus or minus, in 2 tracts. We're going to be offering this property at absolute auction on Saturday, September the 29th at 10 a.m. Here's Big Jim to tell you a little bit about the farm.
All right, folks, we have 2 tracts here. Tract 1 is a little over 52 acres. It's unimproved, and it has a dedicated entrance on Shakertown Road. Make a great building site to have your own small farm. Tract 2, where the main luxury home resides, is 53 plus acres, 4,600 square foot home, beautiful limestone exterior. We got multiple barns. We got a detached 3-car garage with efficiency apartment. It's a magnificent property with thousands or at least hundreds of feet of road frontage on both Shakertown Road and Faulkner Lane. Please take a look around.
Hey folks, thanks for joining us to take a look around today. I want to send a big thank you to the listing agent, Buddy Edwards with Haymaker Bean Real Estate, for partnering with us on this fantastic sale. Don't forget, we've got a public preview on September the 23rd from 2 to 5 p.m. We also have the live auction happening Saturday, September the 29th at 10 a.m. We'll be selling the real estate first, and then we'll be following with personal property. That includes an Airstream trailer, farm equipment, and household goods. We'll see you there. Don't forget, halfhillauctions.com.